Friends, welcome to the Complete Knowledge. Establish India as a dominant maritime power. Indian scientists are diligently working on developing advanced naval weapons, whether it's outfitting Indian warships with the formidable Barak and Brahmas systems, challenging adversaries like China by deploying powerful aircraft carriers such as INS Vikrant, or creating sea-based ballistic missile defense system to counter maritime missile threats. Indian scientists have provided the Indian Navy with cutting-edge capabilities that rival those of China, Pakistan, and even the United States. Furthermore, submarines known as the silent hunters of the sea can monitor enemy movements discreetly from the depth and, if necessary, launch missiles from virtually any location in the West Ocean. To ensure comprehensive maritime security, India urgently needs powerful submarines. There is an urgent need for submarines, and you will be pleased to know that India is working diligently to become a leader in this area by developing the world's most advanced submarines domestically for its navy. However, this is complex and costly endeavor that cannot be completed in just 2 to 4 years. This challenge involves advanced technology and significant expense. Consequently, India is progressing incrementally. Initially under Project 75I, 6 submarines were planned, with 5 already commissioned into the Indian Navy. Following, the 6 more submarines will be constructed through technology transfer under the ongoing Project 75I. Moreover, before this project is completed, the DRDO has already begun preparation for Project 76, which aims to build 6 fully stealthy submarines using indigenous technology. Advanced submarines will be built equipped with cutting-edge technology and capable of launching nuclear missiles. India DRDO is working tirelessly to integrate the powerful AIPA system into these submarines. Once equipped with this technology, India's underwater capabilities will be so formidable that no navy in the world will be able to match the Indian Navy. In today's video, we will provide details information about DRDO strategy plan to enhance the Indian Navy strength. I assure you, after watching this video in full, you will feel immense pride in DRDO achievements. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. But before we proceed, if you appreciate the effort of DRDO scientists in developing these advanced marine warriors, as you know, Indian maritime territory is vast, and robust measures are essential for its security. With this in mind, Indian scientists are diligently working on comprehensive solutions. India has already launched a powerful weapon that will continuously provide updates from the sea to the Indian Navy. In addition, India is planning to deploy another advanced unmanned weapons. We will share more about it shortly, but first let's discuss a critical mission that aims to counter China's naval capabilities. Friends, silent hunter-like submarines are formidable forces in the ocean. With the ability to change the course of warfare, these submarines can write a history of destruction by launching nuclear missiles from beneath the sea, targeting any city in the enemy country. This is why countries like Russia and United States are investing heavily in these capabilities, with Russia currently leading the field. China also possesses such technology. In this context, it is crucial for India to develop similar capabilities, enabling the country to launch intercontinental ballistic missiles from submarines. To achieve this, India has been working on enhancing its naval power. As a part of these efforts, India initially signed a contract under Project 75 to build 6 submarines, a task that is nearing completion. Now Project 75I is about to begin, which will involve the construction of another 6 submarines. Project 76I is set to begin, under which 6 advanced rockets will be developed. These rockets will be equipped with significant power. This is a possibility of collaboration with Germany or other space companies for this project. For more information, India may also consider signing an agreement with Russia. However, India does not want it initially to be dominated by weapons of just one country. This is why India is seeking partnership with Western countries for these endeavors. You will be glad to know that these submarines referred to as Pandubias will be manufactured domestically in India, with the technology being transferred as part of deal. Following this, India Defence System Research and Development Organization DRDO will work on developing indigenous Pandubias using home-ground technology, and these will also be equipped with long-range nuclear missile. Once this is achieved, India will become to self-reliant in this field, that it will be able to produce a wide range of naval weapons domestically and showcase its strength in the global market. In line with this goal, DRDO has initiated a new program aimed by accelerating the development of air independent propulsion AIP technology. For your information, this technology allows diesel powered submarines to operate underwater for extended periods without the need to resurface frequently for oxygen, significantly enhancing their operational capabilities. DRDO AIP Air Independent Propulsion System is based on phosphoric acid and utilize hydrogen generating fuel cells. Each fuel cells generate 133.5 kV of electricity, which will be increased to 200 kV to meet the requirement of Project 76 submarines. This fuel cell technology will be used in Calvary class submarines. Once implemented, India will join the rank of countries possessing these advanced capabilities, as AIP is considered a significant technological power. It's enhanced the lethality of diesel-powered submarines, making them more formidable and harder to detect. This underscores why nuclear-powered submarines are even more challenging to build. India is focused on developing more submarines using this cutting-edge technology. In addition to this, India is continuously advancing its effort to develop unmanned weapon and maritime security. Recently, an underwater UAV unmanned aerial vehicles was developed, and immediately following this, preparation have begun for the next generation of underwater UAVs. India is creating such weapons to enable unmanned mission at sea. An underwater vehicles has already been launched for this purpose, developed by Garden Research Shipbuilders and Engineers of Kolkata. This vehicle is capable of monitoring any weapons deployed by the enemy in the sea. It is also a special type of robotic submarines that operates underwater without the need for a naval officer to be on board. It can be controlled from a ground-based station, allowing it to quickly detect and locate any enemy weapons hidden in the depth of the sea. Truly remarkable. The advance of these robotic pontoons is that they can be produced at very low cost, allowing India to deploy hundreds of them in the Indian Ocean, creating an extension network. According to available information, the underwater UAV development by GRSE Garden Research Shipbuilders and Engineers is very small and lightweight. While its speed underwater is not very high, it can be continuously dive for up to 3 hours and monitor enemy spying equipment. The GPS system installed in it is highly advanced, enabling sailors at the base to control it remotely and maintain communication. It can also navigate the sea autonomously. It incorporates various modern technology to ensure that if the enemy attempt any convert activities underwater, the Indian Navy receives real-time information about it. If deployed for surveillance. It can detect and thwart enemy plans before they are executed, providing immediate intelligence to Indian armed forces. This robotic submarines or Pandoob can also be used for scientific research. According to the scientists at GRSE, they have developed this robotic Pandoob at very low cost. Yet its technology is highly advanced. It is capable of performing surveillance tasks automatically. Until now, monitoring the sea required deploying large ship personnel and advanced technology on the surface, which was expensive and often left surveillance tasks incomplete. This robotic Pandoob developed by GRSE scientists could prove to be advanced sensor and cutting-edge cameras have been integrated into these robotic submarines or Pandoobs. It is also equipped with a modern radar system and infrared technology, making it suitable for all kinds of surveillance and espionage missions. Additionally, DRDO has assigned a private startup from Pune the responsibilities of developing another similar compact ready underwater vehicles, providing technical assistance as needed. Among the 17 companies that participated in this bidding, Sagar Defense Engineering Private Limited secured the contract for the AUV autonomous underwater vehicles. Like drones and UAVs, the AUV will operate underwater and will be capable of detecting Chinese instructions below the sea surface. It will also assist in contacting sea surveillance. The AUV will incorporate various advanced technology, and there are plans to equip it with weapons in the future. Multiple variants will be developed, each with different capabilities and functions. Once armed with lethal weapon and missile, this AUV will pose a significant threat to China, as it will be able to launch missile at any Chinese vessels detecting underwater. DRDO is advancing this effort under the JCOPY mission, aiming to develop the most advanced and dangerous AUVs to meet the needs of current generation. It will operational 45 days. These underwater vehicles will be capable of carrying out mission while submerged and will provide clear and detailed information from beneath the sea. In addition to capturing image, it will also be able to record audio signaling that India has begun building a fleet of unmanned weapons to enhance maritime security and address any potential threats. So friends, that's all for now in this video. What do you think about these steps taken by DRDO to bolster India maritime security? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please Complete Knowledge channel subscribe. Thank you so much.